Hi friends, in this session I am going to discuss with you how to cube any number that lies between 1 to 1000. Okay, so in order to learn till 1000 cubes you need to remember 1 to 9 cubes properly. Okay, so I am giving you brief idea to 1 to 9 cubes. So 2 cube would be 8, 3 cube would be 27, and 4 cube would be 64, and 5 cube you know very well 125, and 6 cube 216, and 7 cube you know right 343. So you can remember like this: 3 plus 4 7, 4 plus 3 7, like that. Okay, so 8 cube 512, 8 cube would be 512, and 9 cube would be 729. So if you learn like this, you will be able to answer any question from 1 to 1000, that means cubes. Okay, let's start our video. We have basic step to remember, that is, suppose if you have cube like this, if you want to cube a number like this, ab cube, so you have basic step, that is a cube, a square b, ab square, and b cube. Okay, and next you have to square this middle part, 2a square b and 2ab square. Okay, if you have number like this ab cube, so you have to do like this: a cube, b cube, a square b, ab square. So after this step you have to double the middle part. Okay, so let's take an example to get a clarity about this. Okay, let's take 11 cube. Okay, we said first 1 cube, a square b, in the sense 1, this is a and this is b. Okay, a cube, a square b, ab square, b cube. So if you double the middle part, 2 2. So if you add this, 1 3 3 1, so 11 cube is 133 1. Okay, so let me take another example in order to get a clear idea about this. 14 cube. Okay, 1 cube is 1, this is a and this is b. 1 cube is 1, so b cube in the sense 4 cube, 64. Okay, a square b means 1 into 4, so 4, b square a, so 16 into 1 is also 16, double the middle, 8. So add this, so add from left, so it is easy to carry to the next number. Okay, so 4 and 6 is carry, so 16 plus 6 22, 22 32 54, so 5 here, so 9 17, so 1 2 2 7 4 4, 14 cube is 2 7 4 4. Okay, so let me take another example in order to get a clear idea about this process. 32 cube. Okay, first this is a and this is b, this is a and this is b. Okay, 3 cube is 27 and 2 cube is 8. Okay, a square b in the sense 3 square into 2, 9 into 2 18. Next 2 square into 3, so 12. So double the middle product, 24 36. Add this, 8 6, so 36 means 3 carry over, 21 plus 36 57, so 27 plus 5 32, so 32 cube is 3 2 7 6 8. Okay, we done easily. Let me take another example in 2-digit cubings. 95 cube. Okay, 9 cube and 5 cube, a square into b in the sense 9 square into 5. Okay, next 5 square into 9. Okay, 9 cube is 729 and 9 square into 5 means 81 into 5 405, so 5 square into 9 25 into 9 225. If you have difficulty in calculating 25 into 9, so just multiply 25 into 10, 250, 250 minus 25 225, so 125. Okay, so double that product, 8 10 450. So if you add this, all this 5, we have to come from left side, so 5. Next if you add 225 plus 450 and plus 12, 687, so 7, 68 is carried to this number, so 68 plus 405 plus 810 would be 1283, so 3, so 1283, so 128 is carried to next number, so 729 plus 128 857, so 97 cube 95 cube is 85735 375 857 375. Okay, so we done 2-digit cubing. Now 3-digit cubing. So let me take an example, 112 cube. So just treat 11 as a and 2 as b, so the process remains same. So 11 cube we discuss now, 1331, and 2 cube would be 8. Okay, so 11 square into 2, 11 square 121 into 2 242, so 2 square into 11 4 into 11 44, so double the middle, 88. If you double the 242 484. Okay, so just add from the right, so 8, so 2 44 plus 88 in the sense 132. 132 means 13 is carry over to the next number. So next 242 plus 13 plus 484, 739. So 9 and 73 carry over to next number. So 1331 plus 73. 1404. That's it. So 112 cube is 41404,928. We done easily. So practice more and more examples like this. It will definitely come for 999 also if you follow this method and implement on paper. Hope you like the session. Thank you.